Good morning, everyone. So, now we are going to start the another session of the respiration in organism, and our today's topic is respiration in other animals. That means we will discuss about the respiration in different animals like cockroach. You can say cockroach or any insect. So these insects breathe through small opening in their body called spiracles. So these are the spiracle you can see in this picture, and you can also see spiracles in this picture. These are spiracles. These are the small opening, the tubular system. Basically, these are spiracles. You can see easily the dots are here. These are spiracles. So basically, what is spiracles? They are the air tubules, and these are called trachea. What they are known as? Trachea. Trachea are the tubules and the small opening that is known as spiracles. So oxygen rich air enter through the spiracles and passes through the trachea to all cells in the body, and carbon dioxide from the cells passes through the trachea and spiracles out of the body. देखिए, inspiration means enter inside, air enter inside, and after moving through each and every cell through the spiracle, this is expiration, means giving back carbon dioxide, giving out carbon dioxide. And we can also discuss the respiration means exchange of gases in earth form. They respire or they breathe through their moist skin. जो उनकी स्किन होती है उसी के थ्रू वो एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस करते हैं. एंड इन फिशेस ब्रीथ थ्रू गिल्स. किसके थ्रू ब्रीथ करते हैं? गिल्स के थ्रू. गिल्स, these the gills have blood vessels which help in the exchange of gases. These are the gills in the fishes, because inside the water lungs do not help in the exchange of gases or in breathing process. So all the aquatic animals have different kind of respiratory system, and we are talking about the fishes. So fishes contain gills. These gills contain, or these gills have blood vessels. So through the blood oxygen comes inside the gills, and also when water pass through the gills, then from the water they absorb the dissolved oxygen from the water and give out carbon dioxide to the water. So when water pass through the gills, then they exchange the gases. So this is the method in fishes. I hope you understand. And now we will discuss about the respiration in the human being. That means in the mammals. हम कौन है? We are mammals. So fishes respire through gills. Earthworm respire through moist skin. Insects respire through trachea, or you can say spiracles. And one more important, amoeba, hydra, these all respire through diffusion process. Diffusion means air will move from their higher concentration to their lower concentration, means oxygen, carbon dioxide. So this is a simple process. In this we will discuss about the respiration in human being. And in human being there is a respiratory system that is known as the human respiratory system. It started from the nasal passage from our nose, after nose to the mouth cavity, oral cavity, then a pipe, air pipe, pharynx, after that a larynx, that is our sound system, voice system, then trachea, the pipe which runs through our chest, and this pipe is divided into multiple pipes, many pipes, divide and divide and divide again and again. It form bronchi. Bronchi enter into the lungs, balloon like structure of our body, and lungs are just you can say हार्ट के ऊपर लंग्स है. हार्ट थोड़ा लंग्स के बीच में, चेस्ट कैविटी जो होती है वहां प्रेजेंट है. एंड लंग्स, दीज आर वेरी डेलिकेट ऑर्गन्स, सो दे आर प्रोटेक्टेड through the rib cage. Rib cage is just like a cage inside the lungs are situated, so they protect the lungs. So this is the human respiratory system that we will discuss, and this human respiratory system we will discuss in our next session. Okay, have a good day. Goodbye.